हेलो टीचर्स। तो ये आज का वीडियो इसलिए रिकॉर्ड किया जा रहा है ताकि ये बताया जाए आपको कि एक टीचर अपने लॉगिन में जाके क्या क्या फीचर्स यूज़ कर सकता है, क्या एक्सप्लोर कर सकता है इस पूरे ईआरपी से। तो मैं अभी थोड़ा ब्रीफ में सारे फीचर्स बताने वाला हूँ कि एक टीचर्स के लॉगिन से आप जब भी लॉगिन करेंगे इस सिस्टम में तो आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें इन जनरल दिखेगी। अगर कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रिविलेजेस नहीं दिया जाता है आपको एज अ क्लास टीचर या टीचर सब्जेक्ट का असाइन किया जाता है तो क्या क्या चीज़ें दिखेंगी और उन्हें कैसे यूज़ करना है, वो सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ। तो सबसे पहले आप अपने स्कूल का यूआरएल खोल लेंगे। उस यूआरएल को खोलने के बाद आपको यूज़र आईडी और पासवर्ड एंटर करना होगा। मैं अभी डेमो का कर रहा हूँ। आपको अपना अपना लॉगिन करना है। लॉगिन करने के बाद कुछ ऐसा डैशबोर्ड आपको दिखेगा। ये सारे कुछ डैशलेट्स आपको डैशबोर्ड पे दिखेंगे जो कि बेसिक ये आपका प्रोफाइल दिखाएगा। ये सारे न्यूज़ेस दिखाएंगे। टॉप 3 न्यूज़ेस आपको यहाँ डैशबोर्ड में यहाँ ऊपर शो होते रहेंगे। पर आपको सारे न्यूज़ेस, कैंपस न्यूज़ेस सारे एक्सेस करने हैं तो आप यहाँ पे क्लिक करके ऑल सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और सारे न्यूज़ नोटिसेस आप चेक कर सकते हैं। न्यूज़ और नोटिस इज़ द सेम थिंग। यहाँ पे आप अपने लीव्स चेक कर सकते हैं कि किस पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी में आपकी कितने लीव्स अवेलेबल हैं। ये तभी दिखेगा जब आपका एडमिन इसे इम्प्लीमेंट करे होगा लीव पोर्शन का एचआर के अंदर। ये अटेंडेंस है, स्टूडेंट की अटेंडेंस। ये एग्जामिनेशन है। तो इसके अंदर आपका ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन, इवेल्युएट करना ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन, ये सब सारी चीज़ें आएंगी। ये एलिमनाई है, कौन कौन से बच्चे पास होके जा चुके हैं, कौन से पर्टिकुलर बैच के हैं उसके लिए। और ये लाइब्रेरी है, आप लाइब्रेरी की बुक्स एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। अगर लाइब्रेरी की बुक्स की डिटेल एंटर्ड है वो लाइब्रेरी में अवेलेबल है या फिर इशूड है, ये सारी चीज़ें आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं, अवेलेबल है या फिर बोरोड स्टेटस है। तो अभी मैं आइकनिक वे में ना जाके मैं मेन्यू पे क्लिक करके आपको इसके थ्रू बताता हूँ क्योंकि इसमें सारी चीज़ें दिखेंगी आपको, जो जो फीचर्स मिले होंगे। तो सबसे पहले आपको जाना है, एज अ टीचर आपको 2 पोर्शन मिलते हैं, एकेडमिक और कोलैबोरेशन। तो जब भी मैं एकेडमिक पे यहाँ क्लिक करता हूँ तो सबसे पहले आता है असाइनमेंट पोर्शन। असाइनमेंट पोर्शन पे आप क्लिक करेंगे, ठीक है। तो लास्ट 7 डेज में जो भी असाइनमेंट आपने दे रखा है या लास्ट 3 डेज में, तो ये डेट रेंज पहले से अवेलेबल है। बट स्टिल अगर आपको अपने कस्टम डेट्स डालने हैं तो वो भी आप कर सकते हैं। ये स्टार्ट डेट है, ये एंड डेट है। मैं एक दिखाता हूँ, एकेडमिक ईयर चेंज करता हूँ सबसे पहले तो। और यहाँ पे एक जस्ट इन जनरल मैं ये डालता हूँ कि फ्रॉम 1st of Jan टू टूडेज डेट कौन कौन से असाइनमेंट्स मैंने दिए हैं, असाइनमेंट डेट क्या है, ड्यू डेट क्या है उसकी, टाइप कैसा है, ये ऑनलाइन या ऑफलाइन सबमिशन, फिर आउट ऑफ फॉर हाउ मच स्टूडेंट वी हैव गिवन दिस असाइनमेंट एंड फॉर हाउ मच स्टूडेंट वी हैव रिसीव्ड दिस असाइनमेंट, then marks or grade if we have enabled it for this assignment. If we haven't enabled it we will find dash. If we have enabled it, what grade or marks we have assigned to this particular homework, that will come up over here. Then after that this is who has been created this homework, then the status, either it is completed or in progress. Okay, so you will find these type of information, and even you can able to go inside this particular homework and can able to check this particular status also, कि how many are pending, how many are rejected, how many are accepted, submitted, all. You can able to see the details of this homework. You can also, if any attachment has been given in on that homework, you can also view that. Okay, you can all check the assignment logs. Okay, so this is basically we can check out the progress of the assignment. Okay, but this page can be only accessed when you have given some homework in past or today. Then only you can able to take advantage of this particular page. I'm going to tell you one more thing, that how you can just create the assignment and can give to the students. Okay, after going under assignment, you can find a create new assignment tab on top right corner. Okay, just after clicking over it, आपको यहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के लिए आपको कनेक्ट किया गया होगा एज अ टीचर, आपको पर्टिकुलर वही सब्जेक्ट का एक्सेस मिलेगा. ठीक है, जिस भी सब्जेक्ट से आपको कनेक्ट किया गया होगा. ठीक है, ये फिर टाइम टेबल में कनेक्ट होता है कि कौन सा टीचर किस पर्टिकुलर क्लास में कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा रहा है, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग ये आपको सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे अवेलेबल होता है. यहाँ सब्जेक्ट चूज़ करने के बाद और क्लास चूज़ करने के बाद आपको उस पर्टिकुलर क्लास के सारे बच्चे आएंगे. आप ऑल पे क्लिक करके सारे बच्चों को चूज़ कर सकते हैं, या पर्टिकुलर अगर कुछ सेपरेट 2-4 बच्चों के लिए ये होमवर्क आप लोग बना रहे हैं तो वो भी आप कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे अनटिक एंड टिक करके. सेकंड ऑप्शन आता है इनेबल कमेंट. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि बच्चे इस पर्टिकुलर होमवर्क पे कमेंट भी कर पाएँ तो आप इनेबल कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए कि कोई कमेंट करे तो आप डिसेबल कर दीजिए इसे. इसके बाद को ऑप्शन होता है इनेबल सबमिशन. अगर हम चाहते हैं कि सबमिशन इनेबल कर दें, मतलब इसी पर्टिकुलर असाइनमेंट या होमवर्क पे बच्चे सबमिशन मतलब अपना होमवर्क सबमिट भी कर दें, इनेबल करना चाहते हैं, तो वो हम यस करेंगे. और उसके बाद असाइनमेंट का टाइप बताएंगे कि ये ऑफलाइन होगा, बच्चे कॉपी में लिख के लाएं, या फिर ऑनलाइन होगा, बच्चे यहीं पे लिख के या स्कैन कॉपी भी अपलोड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये पर्टिकुलर चीज़ें हम बताते हैं कुछ होमवर्क के रिगार्डिंग कि कैसा रहेगा वो पैटर्न हमारा होमवर्क का. देन फिर आता है कि होमवर्क की डिटेल्स, असाइनमेंट की डिटेल्स. आप टाइटल डालेंगे उस पर्टिकुलर असाइनमेंट का. अगर आप ड्यू डेट के अंदर इस होमवर्क को चाहते हैं कि ये सबमिट हो जाए आपको, तो आप यहाँ पे ड्यू डेट डालेंगे. सबसे पहले इसे टिक करेंगे, इनेबल करेंगे. अगर आप नहीं चाहते कि कोई ड्यू डेट हो, सिर्फ आपको वो होमवर्क चाहिए, चाहे वो बच्चा 1 हफ्ते में दे दे, चाहे वो बच्चा 2 दिन में दे दे, चाहे वो बच्चा 2 हफ्ते में दे, तो आप अनटिक करेंगे. अगर कोई ड्यू डेट चाहते हैं कि नहीं, दिस पर्टिकुलर असाइनमेंट हैज़ अ डेडलाइन ऑफ सबमिशन, देन यू कैन जस्ट डायरेक्टली क्लिक ओवर हियर और आप ड्यू डेट सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ कैलेंडर पे क्लिक करके, जैसे मैं कर सकता हूँ 12th अप टू 11 AM. Okay, then are we going to allow late submission or not? अगर मैं इसके बाद भी लेट सबमिशन अलाउ करने वाला हूँ तो मैं यस कर दूंगा. टाइटल दे दूंगा मैं. ठीक है, और उसके बाद अगर इस पर्टिकुलर असाइनमेंट पे कोई मार्क्स या ग्रेड देने वाले हैं तो मार्क्स या ग्रेड क्या देने वाले हैं वो, अगर नहीं है तो अनटिक कर दीजिए. यहाँ पे आप असाइनमेंट या होमवर्क का आप कंटेंट टाइप भी कर सकते हैं, इमेज भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, वीडियो भी लिंक कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट लिंक भी डाल सकते हैं, टेबल की तरह भी इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, यहाँ आपको ये ऊपर टूल दिया हुआ है, इसका आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं बेसिकली। और अगर आपके पास अटैचमेंट अवेलेबल है तो आप डायरेक्ट फाइल चूज़ करके, एक या एक से ज़्यादा फाइल चूज़ करके, और इसे सेव एज अ ड्राफ्ट या फिर पब्लिश कर सकते हैं इस पर्टिकुलर असाइनमेंट को। ये ध्यान रखिएगा कि हम 5 MB की एक फाइल का यहाँ हमें मैक्सिमम मिलेगा साइज, और टोटल 10 MB हम यहाँ पे अटैच कर सकते हैं एक असाइनमेंट में। ठीक है, तो ऐसे हम नया असाइनमेंट बना के और बच्चों को दे सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो ऐसे हमें असाइनमेंट मॉड्यूल का यूज़ करना है। ओके, नाउ आई डायरेक्टली जंप ऑन टू द सेकेंड सेक्शन विच इज़ अटेंडेंस। ये आपको डैशबोर्ड पे भी मैंने दिखाया था, ये आइकन वे में भी अवेलेबल है, और एकेडमिक के अंदर हम यहाँ भी आ सकते हैं। अटेंडेंस में आपको सबसे पहला अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर, ये मैंने आपको आपके एक मीटिंग में भी बताया था फिजिकली जब मैं वहाँ पे आया था। एक बार फिर से रिवाइज करते हैं। आपको उसी क्लास का एक्सेस मिलेगा जिस क्लास के आप क्लास टीचर हैं। ठीक है, you can sort this particular attendance register as per name or by roll number. Okay, after sorting it, if you want to send manual notification after cross checking it, after cross checking the attendance which you have marked, then you can just take out the manual. And if you are not if you don't want to add any reason why the student is absent, then you can also take rapid attendance, and after taking you can only just go on to the student for today's date, and you can click over here. You can see easily they have been marked absent. After completing the for whole month, you can also take the PDF report of it, and you can also download the Excel. Okay, in case you want to send the notification through SMS after marking the attendance in manual notification, you can go on notification status, you can select the class, you can choose today's date, and you can view it. Okay, you have this attendance report over here. You can choose it. You can see monthly, custom, or custom date report, or monthly report, or overall report of this particular batch. Okay, with the percentage. You can also customize the column. तो आपको ऐसे सारी रिपोर्ट्स यहाँ पे दिख जाएंगी, अवेलेबल हो जाएंगी। आप अपने रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग आप कस्टमाइज़ भी कर सकते हैं कॉलम, अगर आपको और सारी चीज़ें चाहिए। जैसे मैं कस्टमाइज़ कॉलम पे मतलब मुझे बैच भी चाहिए, मुझे जेंडर भी चाहिए, स्टूडेंट का रोल नंबर भी चाहिए, ठीक है, पेरेंट डिटेल भी चाहिए, तो वी कैन जस्ट क्लिक ओवर द फील्ड्स और जब हम व्यू रिपोर्ट करेंगे तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी बढ़ जाएंगी रिपोर्ट में। ठीक है, और इसका PDF या फिर CSV एक्सेल रिपोर्ट हम ले सकते हैं। ओके, तो ऐसे हमारे अटेंडेंस के अंदर रिपोर्ट मिलेगी। डे वाइज अटेंडेंस रिपोर्ट भी हम देख सकते हैं। तो क्विकली आई एम नाउ जंपिंग ऑन टू द थर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज़ बैच समरी। बैच समरी में हम आते हैं तो जिस भी पर्टिकुलर क्लास से हम लिंक हैं उसकी बैच समरी देख सकते हैं कि कौन कौन से बच्चे हैं। ठीक है, विद द रोल नंबर एंड एडमिशन नंबर। अटेंडेंस क्या है, ठीक है, आज की, या फिर हम बैक डेट भी सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कल की या किसी भी दिन की, या आउट ऑफ 10 स्टूडेंट्स हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर present, how many students are absent. Employee or subject association, this is directly connected with the timetable. Okay, so you can able to see the subjects, number of lectures या periods per week, who are the employees who have been assigned to that particular subject. Okay, you can also able to see this is subject wise summary and this is employee wise summary. Then you can able to see any timetable and activities. Okay, calendar events and examination, if any examination have been published. Okay, and if you need to manage the roll number of this particular class, you can directly click over here. You can set suffix. Sorting is based on the first name, alphabetical way. You can reset all and then you can assign and you can update it, or you can directly click on edit and you can directly give it like this 01 02 03 04 5 6 07 0P and 09. We can update it like this. Okay, so these things we can do under batch summary. So quickly, and now I am jumping on to the fourth part, which is calendar. As a class second A class teacher, I am able to see these four activities or these four things under calendar. The black indicates events, the blue indicates examination, green indicates holidays, and red indicates dues. Okay, so I can able to see in this calendar that on 2nd of this November we have particular exam of English class second A from this to this. Okay, so we can access the calendar and we can just take the cursor on this particular portion and we can access the information onto the calendar. So now I quickly jump onto the fourth part, which is discipline. Anything under discipline, any complaint which has been added, and on that particular complaint if you have been added as in jury or against, or you have lodged any complaint, so you can able to see that particular complaints over this discipline portion. Okay, when it is not showing up, you are not integrated with any of the complaints, not as a jury, not as a against, not as for. Okay, then quickly on to the next part. This is examination. As I told, when you will take up on the examination, then you will find evaluate online exam. If you have been assigned any evaluator on any of the exam, on online exam, you can evaluate that. Okay, you can directly go over here. You can able to see on which of the exams you have been assigned as an evaluator, what is the start date, end date, and you can also publish that result after evaluating it. The one which you have published, you can unpublish it if you need to evaluate once again. Okay, and if you want to evaluate any of the online exam, you can directly. These all are batches. You can see. You can also recheck this particular paper. You can give the marks again. Okay, you can able to see this and you can save it. Now you can able to see before it is 13 and now, as I have updated one question marks, so the marks also have been evaluated, and you can see rest of the students are not appeared, so we don't have to check. After that we can unpublish the result and can publish again, so that the updated marks should reflect onto the students dashboard. Okay, so like this you can able to evaluate, and rest you know how to create new online exam. You can if you have been given the privilege of creating the online exam, you can create that too for particular batches. Then this is gradebook. Under gradebook you are able to enter the marks. You can go on exam management under gradebook. Okay, you can change you can select the current academic year. You will be able to see the classes for which you have been assigned with any subject. Okay, as I have assigned this particular employee as a class 2 tutor, so this particular employee can able to see all the whatever type of exam have been created under gradebook setting. Okay, you can able to see for English Hindi marks submitted. For this subjects, marks haven't submitted till now, so you have to click on enter marks, and you can directly enter the marks and submit the marks or save the marks. Okay, so this is how you, when your admin portion will schedule the exam, update the schedule of the exam, you can able to enter the marks inside the ERP through your login. Okay, so this is for entering, and then this is report. You can able to fetch out a student report, subject report. Like first of all I have to choose the current academic year, then class, then batch, then for which subject. You can able to see for what we have entered. You can able to see. Okay, we can take the CSV Excel portion of it. So this is how you can access the report of the marks you have entered. Now this is leave. This you can only able to see when the HR portion have updated the category of the leaves, and they have assigned the leaves inside that particular category, and they have assigned that category onto that particular employee. Then you can able to see that leaves and you can apply the leaves. Okay, then this is library. You can able to see, you can able to search the books inside this library, but once the book has been entered, then only you can able to search by this book number and all. Okay, and you can see the status that whichever book is reserved, available or borrowed. Okay, if there are no books, you won't be able to see these particular things, and you can able to search the books by these number of search criteria. Okay, so this is under library. Then this is the profile of that particular employee. You can check out your profile, your personal address, this salary, leaves. These particular things will display whenever the HR portion will update it. Then your timetable. Then under library, if you have assigned any book, if you have availed any transport in the institution as an employee, you can able to see this particular thing, and if any activities has been assigned to you. So this is the profile thing. Then this is the remark. You can go on to the remark. Okay, you can add custom remarks for the students. This is remarks which we can add as per on year level, that every subject teacher can update the remark for that particular class for whole student, that how they are performing, that they can do better. That you can do as per your institution working style. I'll just show you. Okay, like this you can able to see this. Then you can enter your particular subject, then remark given by, and you can able to see the students. You can directly write down the remarks and you can finish it. I'll show you up. For English, I have added the remarks. Like Alok, Alok as a teacher, I have assigned for. I have written for English. You as a class teacher can able to see all of the subjects remarks that average Alok has given to Shreya, and you can also take out the PDF or CSV and on which date they have given. If you want to edit, you can edit. If you want to delete, you can delete. Okay. Excellent. Poor. Keep up the good work. Outstanding. So you can able to do better. You can able to give this particular remark type of things as per subject wise to the students. You can give as per the exam wise, or you can also give as per year wise or half year wise or term exam wise. You can follow these things as per your institution's requirement. Then after this is a student record. You can only enter and manage a student record whenever admin will create this particular thing, which I am going to show you up. I'll just view record. Okay, so now you can able to see there are portions like this is health record, height, weight, student document, Aadhaar, document, admit card, mark sheet. This is customizable. You can create this particular category, and under this category whatever field you can able to create, you can create. And like this you will be able to see this particular student record to be filled. Okay, you can just change the student and you can able to see that what are the information you have filled regarding this. So you can maintain any student records. For that you have to ask the admin to create that particular category and the fields, so that it will be able to so that as a teacher you can able to see that particular categories and fields, and you can update this particular record onto your batch for which you have assigned as a class teacher. Okay, so this is available under inside academics. Now I switch on to the collaboration. Under collaboration, this is the portion we called as online class. So if you want to conduct an online class, you can directly go on to the here. You can fill out the information and you can create it. Okay, then the second portion is discussion. If you have been added or you have been if any discussion portion have been created and you have been added as an member, then you can able to see all of the things over here. Okay, and you can view all the post of the discussion. You can also able to see the document where you can able to share privileged document, share document, my document, favorite, recent. You can also create the document or folder and you can able to share with any particular class or any set of particular department of employees. Okay, so these can be used as notes. If you are having, you can upload the scan copy and you can share with the particular class. Okay, then this is form. If any form which has been published for the employees, you can be able to see under the forms. This can be normal form for gathering the information by the institution, or it also can be the feedback form for taking the feedback for particular things. Okay, so if any of the forms which has been published for the employees, they can be accessed under collaboration in form section. Okay, then this is gallery. Whatever event has been done in the institution, and for that particular event, if any photograph have been uploaded and that has been shared with the employees, you can be able to access that particular images under gallery in collaboration. Okay, then this is Google Doc. If you guys have been providing your Gmail ID, then and after logging inside the system, not by the username and password but by your Gmail, you can able to access your Google Docs over here and under this ERP. Then this is news and notice are the same thing, which I have also shown you on the dashboard as an icon way. You can able to view all the last 3 months, last 1 month, or you can view all of the notices over here. Then this is poll thing again. When you have been added to any poll, you can able to give your polling under collaboration, and you can click on poll and you can access and give your polling over here. Then this is again the task. If you have been assigned onto any task, then you can able to see over here with the due date and the task details. Okay, so these are the things which I want to tell you ki as a teacher, as a class teacher, if you have been assigned, or if any subject teacher you have been assigned, then you can able to see these particular things. If you have been assigned any particular more privileges, you can able to see more of the things under academic collaboration, or you can also have access of reports, data and reports, or administration. But as a normal teacher, without assigning any extra privileges, you can able to see these much features under the ERP. And then you can also able to change your language under over here. After clicking on to the name, you can also change the password. You have to enter the old one, then new one, then confirm the new one. Okay, So you can do that also. All the notifications you can able to see over here, as you able to see this as an different type of language. So I just want to tell you ki over here you have these much number of languages, and as it is demo, so people used to check out this stuffs available over here like in other languages. So that's why you are able to see the notification in this language. Okay, so whatever notification which you haven't read, that number of notifications will be displayed on this particular red portion, and you can able to see this. And if you want to view all of the notification, you can click on view all, and after reading it, if you want to mark as a read, you can just click over here. This number will get managed. And this is internal messaging system. Again, you can use this as a teacher to communicate with the parents. Okay, you can directly click onto the new message for separately writing to any of the parents or students or employees. Or you can also, if you want to write down a broadcast message, and you can view all the messages. Okay, and you can take the cursor over here, you can see broadcast message. You can directly select the employee department or select the employee, or you can directly select the last, view all, select all. Sorry, I have selected every student. Then if I want to select the parent too, I can select all the parents, then subject, then message body, or anything which I want to attach up to the 5 MB, I can able to attach it, and then I can send it. This notification will also receive in the mobile app as well as in this particular web portion under this internal message. Okay, so this is all I want to tell you under this ERP. As a teacher, when you log in inside the system, you'll find these particular things. You can just go through the video, you can go through your login, you can just check out once, go with a module on module after viewing this video. And if anything that you find you need more explanation, you can directly comment on this particular video. As a teacher, we'll try to make more videos as a teacher, and we'll explain that particular scenario, we will explain that particular doubt of yours, and we'll upload more videos. Hopefully this video will give you a clear idea of how teachers can use this particular ERP in a better way, and what are the features that are commonly available to each and every teachers inside this ERP. Thanks, and if you find this interesting, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.